Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is well and you guys are ready for this week. So this is our FFBK Sunday, Technical Sunday, whereby we analyze for the upcoming week. So I hope everyone is well, sit tight. It's going to be sweet and short. So for this week, on our fundamentals, we see that on Monday we don't have any major event. And then Tuesday, we are having GBP, climate count change, and then Canadian dollar, CPI on it at 2:30 p.m. And then this is on our South African time. And then we have SID, CPI as well, Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we are having GBP, CPI. And then Thursday, we are having AUD employment change and unemployment rate, 2:30 a.m. And then we have Euro main refinancing rate, monetary policy statement at 2. And then we having a USD core retail sales and retail sales unemployment claims. And then finally we have a Euro on Thursday, the ECP press conference. So we'll see what I will do. But then what I know, all these high impact events, they always move the market. So let's see this week if they will have major impact. And then Friday, we are only having GBP retail sales. And then this is our this week event. And then I will update if there's any addition that will be inputted during the course of the week. And then let's go to our chart analysis to see what we can expect from this currency individual by itself, so that we can analyze and see how the fundamental might have impact or move. So stay tuned. Okay, it's ready now. On Euro, starting from H4, let me go to daily. So as you can see on our daily time frame, the market moved from this order block, then went up, but then it never reached to this order block. It never reached to this order block. And then this is the previous one, whereby it went down. Yeah, it went down. So I'm looking for the market to come to retest and then come back here or start going down and then go up. So my point of interest is this high. And then if it will respect by giving us low before it can give that high, or else it will push and give us high, and then we know that we have to have low. So we only see during the week what the market, how open and how it reacts. So I'm still to be corrected by the market, but then these are my point of interest. So on H4 on Euro, as you can see, the market left this order block, so they from high to low, and then they're starting to push to create a high. So I'm expecting the market to come here and react. If they don't react, maybe they might come here and react and then shoot down, and then before shooting down, after shooting down, then it will go up. And then moving to NZD, NZD, it did create equal lows, as you can see on H4. So they're still pushing to give us a high in terms of market structure. So I'm moving from low to create a high. So I'm seeing the market might need to react when it get to this order block and then continue going down. I was expecting the market to return on daily OP or favorite gap, this favorite gap. So let's go to daily to see how it is the chart. Daily, the market moved from this low, and then it managed to create this high. So meaning we need to create low. Meaning we need to create low from this high. So this low is here, and then from low, then we have to create the high, and then after high, we create the low, and then we create the high. So with the previous order blocks, you can see this strategy is working, whereby we had this low, and then that order block there, whereby the market moved from low, and then it went to that order block, and then retested, and then went down. So we are looking for such even in this order block, whereby the market will come from that high and cut through this low, and then starting to break the structure. And then moving to Canadian, as you can see on Canadian H4, I've identified my supply and demand zones. And then in this case, the market has been consolidating. And then we had this order block whereby they break this market structure, and then it went up, and then retested this order block here, as you can see, and then shoot it down. So I'm looking for the market to come to this order block, the H4 order block, and then retest, maybe respect this and continue to go down before it can go up, because we have an order block on daily time frame. Let me zoom out. So we have this order block here, as you can see. So the market has been going up, it's been down uptrend until it created, it changed the trend, and then starting to shoot up. So I'm looking in a bigger picture for the market to come and give us low so that it can go up. So let's see how it will react. And then if you respect this low, it may shoot up, not coming down. But then with my analysis, I'm expecting it to come here to this low and then create high, shoot, then give us low, and then after low, it will start creating a series of highs and break this market structure. And then that is for Canadian dollar. So let's go to GBP index. So on GBP, if you check, let's go to daily first to see the chart. Okay, so here I analyzed on weekly, because I saw we are maybe in this other block of weekly, this one that I held it with yellow, and then this is our demand. So if this week GBP is failing to break that order block, I'm expecting it to come down to retest this order block in a big picture. So, but you know, the market moves slowly. It might not just shoot down, so meaning it will need to create some highs first. So let me zoom in to check how it is here. So as you can see, we had this order block, and then the market went down to this order block, and then went up, we tested to this order block, and then they came to this order block as well. And then it's been failing to break it. As you can see, we are having two rejections of candlestick of weekly. So I'm expecting GBP to go up to break that order block in this case. And then it did break this order block, then we test, and after the testing, then we know that we have to go, because of overall we are having equal lows here. So there's a liquidity that is sitting there that the market maker they need to fetch. So let's see how the fundamentals will react this week. It's either they will break this or give us a retracement and then starting to go down. So let's check daily if there's anything there on the daily is that order block, and then it's been retested, as you can see. Then market went down, came to this order block here, and then it's been rejected. This is our first reaction, okay, the one that we see there. And then this is the second. So the market has been failing to break this order block. So let's see this week if it will push down to break it, or it will continue to continue go up ever since they have retested. H4 to see if there's something that I'm missing. Yeah, so in this case, the market structure we've been having an uptrend. As you can see, there's been an uptrend whereby we have a low, high, and then they created low, and then they created high. This was our low, high. So the market may come to this other block before continue to go up. And then if it fails, if this order block it fails to hold, then the market will come again to this order block and then continue shooting up. So we'll see during the week whether it's going to respect this order block by coming down and then after going down, going up. Moving to USD. This one it was my favorite one because of it respected our analysis. After we break this order block, we came in and went to this order block. So we managed to collect pips on GBP, Euro, USD, and also gold. So we managed to kill it. So let's see dollar. I will start daily so that we can see what we are having here. So on the time frame, we're having this demand and then we're having our supply there. And then in this case, I'm going to move from low, created high, low, then created high. So now we're moving from high. So I'm looking for the market to create a series of highs. Sorry for that. I don't know what is happening with my network, but then let's move. So I'm saying we've been moving from low, high, then now we're moving from low. So I'm looking for the market to create a series of highs in this case. So, but then we see from this our order block, the market pushed up to this order block, and then it was retesting it, and then it's being failing to break it. So I'm just looking for a rejection here for retracements to this area. And then after that, then we still continue to go up to create high. So in this case, we're having a high, so we need to create low. After low, then we need to create high. The market structure is the simple terms. And then we will see if the market mixer will break this order block or they will fail. And then if they fail, then we know now we are in a we need to create lows until we come to this order block again and start to go up. So let's see how the market will react in this upcoming week. And then H4, as you can see, we had that order block, and then this is our low, and then the market pushed going up. And you can tell by the look of the structure of the pies, because of here you can see the market was falling slowly, but then it went up quickly. So meaning the market makers are moving to. So let's see if we can catch any retracement coming to this, and also to close this gap because of your headline gap here. So the market might test to this order block or test to a favorite gap before going up. Our low we need to create. We need to get our low from favorite gap or order block. And then finally, let's go to AUD, Australian dollar. Let's start on daily to see what is happening. So AUD on daily, we're having this order block. The market failed to break it, even though that we have a stop high here for people who already bought it. So the market failed to break this order block. Instead, they closed above and then starting to shoot up. So when we had this high, they created this low, and then now they were creating high. So they created high, then low, and then a high, then low. So they need to create another high. So I'm waiting for the market to break this order block and then come to this one retest. And then after retesting, maybe come back, pull back, and then go to that order block. So that's the market structure on AUD on daily time frame. So they managed to create low, so now we need to create high. And then our high, I'm assuming that it needs to be on this order block here. Because of this one, it already been tested. So let's see how AUD would behave. And also the fundamental. So moving to H4, as you can see on H4, the stop that I was talking about this here. Then we managed to create low, and then they created it was high and then low, high, like you can see with the market structure. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and then low, high, low, and high, low. So that's the market structure basically. So In this case, whereby we had a break of market structure here and then they came down to retest for the price that caused the break of market structure, and then after that, they break another structure. So in this case, the market managed to come down because we had a break of market structure to retest. So now I'm looking for it to come going up. And then that's it from my side. So I don't know if you have any questions. You can leave it on our comment section, and then stay blessed. And then I hope this video managed to give you light and also give you hope, give you confidence on what you're doing. And then we hope that God keep on blessing you and maybe a profitable week for you. So let's keep on conquering. Hashtag Shire, hashtag FFBK seminar is coming away. So don't forget to get your ticket. It's only 250. The seminar will be held at W Hall, Botshabelo. So we are starting with the small towns whereby people they assume that Forex is a scam. So we are fighting that stigma, stereotype that is people that they can make money through online. So your support would be highly appreciated. So I hope I will see you there. Let's come and make a change and change this generation to be better. Hashtag future. Signing out. Yo,